So we had big storms last night in our area. So this tree is hanging on a prayer. That's gonna fall down. The lions. Power down. Mount Evelyn. So this is probably why all of Mount Evelyn has got no power, because it's like shredded it down, which makes me think we're definitely not getting power anytime soon. Fences down, power down. So we have trees down across the road, and this is all like a public walking path area. So this is crazy. This is many trees down.
Trees.
As I jostle with my husband for good positions, the trees have ripped these lines down. So I think we go over and under and through, and it's crazy. And then just on the other side of that tree, we have this, which is absolutely crazy. That's huge. Look at the base of that. It's like a cave under there. If anybody's wondering if Mount Evelyn has tons of rocks, we do. We decided to try to take a shortcut. So we came through there. And this is in our way. So I gotta avoid some water, go through there. Okay, that previous idea was very stupid because we both fell in holes. But that's the base of the other huge pine tree. Mount Evelyn has tons of pine trees that used to be, I don't know, part of the aqueduct, part of windbreak. I've decided for the rest of the duration of our nature walk to stay on the path.
Can't stay on the path.
Even though, yeah, the path is kind of gone, so we're just living our best lives, walking in the neighborhood, and hopefully we return home to our children alive and well. More carnage, so we got more power lines down and a tree completely uprooted, which they've obviously already started working on clearing. But down here, can you see that? All the wires are just all gone. Twang, twang, twang. Looping down. Some wires here. It's the whole way down this road. So this is Olinda Road, Mount Evelyn. And look at them. It's the whole way. That's crazy. Don't worry, I'm not touching the power wires. Ain't nothing you can say to make me do that. That'd be very foolish. Still down here, all the way down to where that white car is.
Don't touch the car.